welcome back to my channel. This is Anjani, and in today's video I'm gonna show you this makeup look which you can see on my eyes right now. This is a very festive and Indian makeup look, so stay tuned for the makeup look if you're interested how I created this look. Now without further ado, let's begin with the video. So I've already completed my base, and first I'm gonna fill on my brows, and for that I'm gonna use L'Oreal brow artist Genius, and this is in the shade medium deep. So I'm gonna take an angular brush like this and I'm gonna fill in my brows. Now for the eye shade, I'm gonna use Huda Beauty's Topaz Obsession palette, and this is the mini palette, and this is how the colors looks like. So first I'm gonna take this kind of a fluffy brush, and I'm gonna use this reddish kind of a shade and apply it on my crease line. Take this yellow shade and I'm gonna blend that shade with my crease color. Now taking this kind of a tapered shape brush, I'm gonna take the same red shade and I'm going to define my crease line again. Okay, now I'm going to use this kind of a brush and I'm going to spray some Fix Plus from NYX, and I'm going to spray it on my brush. And I'm gonna use this light shade and I'm gonna apply it on my eyelid. Like this. Now I'm gonna take the same brush before and I'm gonna take that same brown red shade and I'm gonna define my outer corners as well as crease line and the inner corners. So this is how the eye makeup looks like right now. Now I'm gonna use the same brush. I'm gonna use this kind of a brush and I'm gonna take the same red shade, orange shade, and I'm gonna apply it on my lower lash line, halfway through, like this. After that I'm gonna apply some kajal, and for the kajal today I'm using Kay Beauty's kajal, and this is the kajal that comes with the smudger, and I'm gonna apply it on my waterline. So I've already applied the kajal on my lower and on my upper lash line, and now I'm gonna apply a little kajal over here, and then I'm gonna use the smudger part and I'm gonna smudge that out. So just a bit, not too much. Like this. Now using this smudger part, I'm gonna smudge it out all the way till here. So this is how my eyes looks after once I have smudged the kajal. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this kind of a brush and I'm gonna take this darkest shade from the palette, which is the dark brown shade, and I'm gonna apply that as an eyeliner on my eyelid, very close to the lash line. So we have come to an end for this eye makeup look. Now lastly I'm going to take the brown, the orange shade, and I'm going to smudge that with the kajal which I smudged. Now I'm going to apply one coat of mascara, and for that I'm using Kiko Milano's waterproof mascara. This is the finished makeup look. Now I'm gonna quickly finish off my face. For the face, first I'm gonna apply some blusher, and first I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution's Patricia B palette, and using this blush shade I'm gonna apply that. Set that highlighter using same Makeup Revolution's Patricia B palette. This highlighter and this palette is really nice. It's really pigmented and it does not show any chunky particles on it. It gives you a subtle and natural kind of a look. Now taking a small brush like this, I'm going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and the brow bone. Lips, I'm gonna use L'Oreal's Rouge Signature lipstick, and this is in the shade I Am Worth It. So this is a red kind of red shade. On top of the L'Oreal lipstick, I'm going to apply this Faces Canada's lipstick in the shade Red Fantasy. Guys, so this is the finished makeup look and this is how it turned out. Now I'm going to quickly change my outfit and I'm going to see you back. Okay guys, so this is the final result, and with that we have come to an end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of videos. All the products which I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check out the description box for any purpose, for any product inquiries. Also, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you would like to follow me on my Instagram handle, then I'm gonna put it somewhere here on the screen, because I post a lot of other contents on my Instagram handle. So if you are interested, please follow me over there. Till then, take care guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'm gonna see you soon. Bye guys.